Charlie, what's up? What's up? I beg, greetings, everybody. I beg, real quick. First of all, I know say what I can't talk. People go hate me. People go insult me because of this. I know they care. I did there. I see say Shatawale tweet about me say they like my vibe. I dey respect that. He be big artist. I go in house. We dey in studio. We all with the vibe together. I dey play am some of my songs then things. Into they play me some of his songs. I play you some song. This say I dey want make you jump on them. You give me your song. Say you dey want make I jump on them. I do them nicely. I send give you. I give you song. If you no go do, you no go do. If you go do, you go do. Why I go give you song then you go carry the vibe, do like you they want twist them. How smart we say you they want do love song with the vibe. I beg, wow. I no want talk anything. Then later, people that don't know what they happen go talk say this boy when he come. Why he know the respect? I beg. I did my lane inside. As I did, everybody know. I know they go to anybody. Because I know how people do. If you they love me, I they love you. If you know they love me, I know they love you. You get? Only God know the reason why you talk say you won't sign me. He delay. Cause me self then I the one sign. Only God knows. If it be this thing like you go take do me. Why you people, you big people, we they look up to you, then you go do these things. Why? This thing you they do, then you go get what? The plenty songs you get, this be what you go use, make you hate. Or what? Then later, me I go release my song, then go talk say smoke still vibe from Shatawale then things. That be what you they want. I beg, wow, I they respect myself. Make nobody come my inbox since I can write SM artist. I know be SM artist. Nobody sign me. Make nobody can talk me shit for there. I they greet you, big man Wally. I they do this video personally to tag you, bossu. See, you know me, you know say smoke me. I they respect you from head to toe, bossu. Where you know yourself, say me, I never go leave God can't fear you. It never go happen. Something happen. I come to your studio with my song. You get that on them song. We vibed for the studio there with my song. You try do a vibe on themself. I get the video, the emails, everything for year. It be like a month now. I dey wait for the verse. Next minute I see you do some song with the same vibe. You get where I tell bro say make he can't tell you say I use the vibe. So make we focus on them, cause me I send you self. We did the studio there we play. Say I dey want a verse from you. I dey want put the song out. He come out with your own on them the same vibe. People go talk say it's either I steal from you or you steal from me. You no be clean. Nobody mind me. Next minute you can post for Instagram. That means say you dey bring the song out. Boss you me a boy, I can't talk my mind. You boy, you dey talk your mind. Nobody dey stop you. Boss you me a boy, I can't talk my mind. You get, you hear this, you can't call me say if I no see you 1 hour, I go beat you out. See, boss, you no need look for me. Me everywhere you dey, they are me. I go show up, make your boy stretch me, make you beat me, you tire, I go come my house. You get, now I know the fee move. My people can't take my car. Then say you go bend the car. You go bend the car, so you make I no drive again. But I tell bro, you know, I tell and say, you no need look for me bend my car. Me, I go meet you with the car, make you burn them. You get, you burn them finish, I go come my house. I get nothing to lose. See, this boy, they see me at the top floor. No need push me. You get, at the top floor, I get nothing to lose. So these things you go do to me, if that be the only way you go take prove yourself, then you be loser. Cause something come, you for analyze them. See, that song they here, see. Make I play show you. On them. I feel with the bring the fire on them. Make I play your own too. I dey come. 1 minute. You see, it be the same vibe on them. I tell you, boss, I tell you, graph them, make them. It be the same vibe on them. I tell you, boss, I tell you, graph them, make them tell you. Say, people go. Yesterday, you see, I post the song. People come, hey, you still wale in vibe. Boss, you know yourself. When I send this song to you, you get something happen. Moku analyze them. What he happen now? You talk say you go make a leave Ghana music industry. Then see me. I dey see my monitors this, my mic then things. I do the music for year. I dey feel sleep for bed and listen. They make me happy. Me I know they do music. They chase after dollars. Me I know they do that. I be okay. I don't get nothing. I be okay. You get. So Sean they talk say something happen. Moku, oh smoke, you be my boy. Why you do this thing? Who is but make you no do like smoke I meet him. I go beat him. Yesterday, see this thing you go talk or see. He dey here. You be my brother. You be my listen. You them borrow the talk, or he send me say, Smoke, you see what you make Wale, they tell me, you see what they put me through. Bosu, I don't put anybody through anything. I tell you people from the very beginning, nobody mind me. Now make nobody can tell me anything. You get that thing I boy, I talk. Wale, he the boy, he the talk. You know they fear anybody. Me, I know they fear anybody. You get, you see, you pass through your level. You know your level. You know where you enter. Me, I know my level. I know where you that your song. I did like him. That your level. I did like. You know your level. You enter places. Me, I enter places. See, nobody they get time easy. Me, I never get time easy. Make you never think say I get time easy. This boy be that about go. I know the fear boss you. When you not say me, I know they do this for hype. You know. I know they do this for hype. You said you tell me Smoke, come my house, can't record. Then see. How many times you see say I step your house before? How many times? Comparing me to the other boys, every day then go day your house. You see say me I come your house before. Like how many times? You give me privilege say make I can't record for there. How many times you see me for there? See me I no be anti so I no be boss you. I no be go ask everybody. Ask your captain. Say me that go the same school. Then come he be my junior for school. Ask him. Say he same school. Then come he be my junior for school. Ask him. Say he ever hear my name or see me for places said before. You not go hear of me. You see me for party before. You see me for club. Where people gather, you see say I did there. But you don't know be how I grew up. You get everybody there in life. So something happen, I make you know a boy I talk something. We they analyze that thing. Make you know talk say, this boy, I go beat him, you the one hype. Me, I the one hype. When the hype, you know give me. You if you post my video, then I get 2,000 followers. I will leave that one, come go at you. I know the rise at you, boss you. A boy, I talk my mind, just like you. See, you boy, you talk your mind. A boy, I talk my mind. So make you know talk say, you they look for me, beat me. I get those videos for here. I give, you dey here. You get make you no talk say you go meet me, you go beat me, you go but you I no go run go anywhere. I know they go na Brungo. I dey here. I dey I cry here. No need. The beating be the way you go make you look like say you be big manner, then you be loser. Cause the only thing you go fit do be say you dey use your stardom intimidate me. If you get anything, do other than that. Make we analyze the thing. Say if I dey lie, I dey lie. Do whatever you dey like to me. Because he everywhere. Travis Scott them so somebody if he play some tune for them at this thing inside. He be one, he go claim him, he go charge you $20 million then things. Here we know certain things know the work. I dey tell you my mind, boss. You nobody dey mind me. I talk my mind. I talk my mind that I talk. You get nobody, no. So Sean they talk say you go beat me. They beat in there, it be normal thing. See, where you dey, where you be tagged for, you be Nima. I know say you say you leave Nima before. See, me I be 16 years. I leave school, go hustle for there. A full year. I don't know the beating, they no beat we for there. I don't know the kwashe, they no kwashe we for there. See, whatever you they pass through, we pass through, like your song goes. I know my level. Sally, I did my lane inside, boss you. I did my lane inside. I know they do this for hype. I know they need. You get, I get everything to be there on the street. You they see me. You they like talk true. You where you hear of me. All the what the boys they do, I feel do some, but that no be my life, boss. You see this, you hear of me. All the what the boys they do, I feel do some, but that no be my life, boss. You see this room, my day, I they do everything, I they sleep. That be my life. So make you no talk like you they do that like I go lose something. I no go lose nothing, cause I no get nothing. I be dirty boy. When this boy you they fight to, you they fight with. See this boy you they fight with me. I no get nothing. So you take everything from me, you still end at nothing. Cause me, I no get nothing. The only thing I dey tell you be say I get, tell me I go fear be say hey, I go take God from you. That one I go fear. But I get God, I no go leave am can fear you, boss. I no see you. You get, if you like beat me, do whatever. I go come your day. Something come. Smoke, you be my boy. Moku we talk about why you do this? Why you know they do that? But you say you go beat me, you go beat me. I for come your house, make you beat me. I won't make you beat me. You tire, I go come because that be the only way you go fit prove yourself. If you say I dey lie, the song this, make we analyze them, make we check the videos, make we check the emails. Then the people too, then they talk like Smoke, we the SM artists, you the send me trade, you go do You reach heaven and then you take SM what then they call them membership card goes, they make God make you enter.